In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Genspark plan. We'll walk through the entire process from opening Genspark to confirming your new plan is active, with helpful tips to make everything smooth and secure. Start by opening Genspark and signing in to your account. Use the official website or app and make sure you're logging into the correct profile you actually want to upgrade. If you have extra security, like two-factor authentication enabled, complete that now. It's also a good idea to avoid public or shared devices when you're handling account and billing details. Once you're in, head to the area where plans are managed. This is usually labeled pricing, billing, plans, or subscriptions. You'll often find it under your profile icon or within account or settings. The naming can vary slightly, but you're looking for the place that shows your current plan and available upgrades. Now take a moment to compare the available plans and features. Look beyond just the headline price. Check usage limits, included features, support levels, and any caps that might matter to you. Pay attention to monthly versus annual pricing, potential discounts, and whether upgrades take effect immediately or at your next billing cycle. If you see trial language or pro-rated amounts, read the fine print so there are no surprises. When you're confident about what you need, choose the higher plan you want. Make sure it aligns with your workload, team size if applicable, and any specific tools or limits you rely on. Confirm the billing frequency you prefer before moving on. Click the Upgrade or Subscribe button. You should see a summary that outlines the new plan name, price, billing period, and when the change will apply. Review this carefully so it matches what you selected. Next, enter or confirm your payment details. If you already have a card or payment method on file, double check that it's current and correct. If you're adding a new method, verify the card number, expiration date, and billing address. If there's a field for tax or VAT information, fill it in accurately. Only enter this information within Genspark's secure checkout and never share payment details in chats or on-screen recordings. Finish the checkout process and wait for the confirmation. You should see a success message and typically receive a receipt by email. Finally, verify the new plan is active by checking your account dashboard for the updated plan name and any unlocked features or higher limits. If it doesn't show right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. That's it. You've upgraded your Genspark plan and confirmed it's live.